Parking sensor system fault, Mitsubishi Outlander. Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. So in this video I will show you how you can solve parking sensor system malfunction in this Mitsubishi Outlander. Okay, here's the car, 2014 model. So parking sensor not working. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to test with your diagnosis tool where is the problem actually, why your parking sensor not working. Okay, so go with control unit and then sonar system. Here's the sonar system, read code. So now we check where is the fault code actually, why this parking sensor not working. All store fault, where is the current fault? Here, see, corner sonar front left, that means front left parking sensor have some problem. I think wiring issue or whatever it is, or sensor damage, cause this is customer told me accident here and then it's happened, parking sensor not working, and then he replace bumper, parking sensor, replace everything he do, but parking sensor not working. Okay, now we remove front bumper and I'll show you. So now I remove front bumper for checking parking sensor wiring. So as you can see, I already show you front left corner. Here is the front left corner. So here is the accident. So see, before I think people is wiring damage, no, that's why fix it like this. Now we remove front left the parking sensor full wiring and check. Okay, and then if I find out fault, and I'll show you. I check already wiring, but wiring is perfect everywhere, there is no damage in wiring. So I asked them, they told me they replace parking sensor already, but it's not same part number, that's the problem. So now I told them ki need to same part number parking sensor fix. So now I fix same part number parking sensor. Here you can see now parking sensor working, before not working, cause before sensor is damaged. So now we replace new sensor and then now it's working properly. Okay, oh great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.